So you've got an awesome Three.js project running locally, but you want to share it with your friends and colleagues. How do you do that? Upload it to GitHub and create a page. So let's talk about GitHub. Go to github.com and click Sign Up. Fill in your information and click Create Account. What you're going to have to do is go to your email and click to verify your account, and then come back here and sign in. Hold on. Click your menu and click Repositories. Voila. This is the repo I'm working with today. That's an EarthTSL project, which I did a video on. You can check that out. But now I want to put the code and all the assets for this project up onto GitHub so that I can make it public. Let's talk for a second about Git. It's a distributed source control system. It tracks changes across your code. It allows multiple developers or agents to work on the same project. So let's go to GitHub, click New to create a new repository. I'm going to call it EarthTSL. And that's all I'm doing, create repository. Now, it's presenting me with a way to run Git commands to upload the repo. But first, I want to show a super simple way for those of you out there who don't have Git installed on your machine. Just add upload to the URL. In this case, my GitHub account /earth-tsl/upload. And you're presented with this, and I could choose files or drag and drop them. Here is the directory for my project. I'm going to select all the files and drag and drop them into the window here. It's uploading them. A lot of textures that are high res. Yay, that's done. Now let's commit the changes. Committing is just a way to track what's changed in your repo. This is our first commit, so we're just going to add all files and assets. And then click the Commit Changes button. Great. There's our repo. Doesn't it look nice? Well, we want to be able to see the Three.js application in action. So to do that, let's connect a GitHub page to the main branch. Okay, click Settings. Over here on the left, click Pages. And underneath Branch, right? Build and Deployment Branch, where it says None, click the drop-down and choose Main. Now click Save. Because of the way our repository is structured, the root is where we want it. But maybe you had a subdirectory. I don't want that. Okay, come back to your repo's homepage. I just click the name of the repo here. Click this little gear next to About. And let's, under Website, click this checkbox here. And it automatically populates that. Save changes. Great. Click Actions to see how we're doing. When you create a GitHub page, it has to deploy. So that's what's happening here. Once this completes, we'll be able to see our page up on GitHub. It actually doesn't take that long. It's done. Click EarthTSL to go back to our page. Now, under About, you'll see a URL, and if you click it, it's going to load up our application. And our beautiful Earth made with TSL. We've uploaded our project from our local computer up onto GitHub and fired up a GitHub page. Pretty easy, right? To use Git on the command line, which is recommended, you'll need to install it and add SSH keys. Check the link in the video description for GitHub's documentation on that. Also, a link to a video, which might be helpful. I think I want to redo this whole repo. Let's come to Settings. I'm going to delete my beautiful repo. I murdered my repo. I'm sad. All right, click new, earth, TSL, and click create repository. Now I can do this. So I'm going to cd, change directory, into my repository, which is earth, TSL, right? Git status. It's not a Git repository. So let's git init. That's going to initialize our repository. Let's make this a little bigger. Let's add this remote. Git remote, add origin, and paste. Okay. That was successful, believe it or not. Now, git status. We've got no commits. We're on the main branch. Let's rm this ds store thing. Git add dot. That means add all of the unstaged changes. In this case, it's just add all the files and assets. Git commit. Add all files and assets. Great. A little busy. Now, git push -u origin main. I can't recall what -u is for. Oh, it means set upstream. Okay. Hit enter. It's going to upload all that stuff. Great. Reload. And there's all our stuff. Real quick. Settings, pages, click main and hit save. Come back to the home page. Click this gear next to about and choose use your GitHub pages website. Save changes. Let's check actions to see how it's progressing. Going to be done in any minute. That's it. Let's go check. Yeah, look at that. There you have it. That's how to upload your Three.js project to GitHub and to fire up a GitHub page. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe.